Ho! So SteelSeries has sent me a whole bunch of goodies to review. So we have a new headset, a mic, a surround sound, and then these Arctis GameBuds. Now we'll be honest, I don't know a whole lot about these, so I'm actually kind of excited to check them out. So these are the Arctis GameBuds, not to be confused with the FlameBuds, which is a prototype earbud that I'm working on that shoots flame out your ears as you take gunfire in games. It's still in the prototype phase and we're still testing it out. I don't know if it'll ever make it to market, but I'm hoping. So these have active noise cancellation, Bluetooth and wireless. So we have a 10-hour battery life. I'm assuming that's for the earbud, and then a 30-hour charging case. This is compatible with Xbox, PS5, PC, Switch, mobile, and VR. Now this does say it's designed for Xbox, but I think it's just more of a branding thing overall because you can't get a specific like design for PlayStation version as well, but it does say multi-platform right there. So nothing really else important to look at on the box. There is an app, which we probably won't check out in this video, but we'll leave that for the full review. Let's get that crispy opening right there. Okay. Oh. Let's get that crispy opening right there. Oh, there we go. And I guess we'll do it on the other side too. Work with me! God dang it. God dang it. Dang it. I will be honest with you, I am not really huge on earbuds anymore. I know I've reviewed like a lot of IEMs and a lot of gaming earbuds on this channel. But I've actually kind of started moving away from those. Ultimately, I just find I always just prefer an actual headset or an actual pair of headphones. Mainly because earbuds kind of give me a lot of issues with my ears, but we're still going to test these out. I still want to see if they're comfortable, if they are like kind of a good alternative for whenever I want to occasionally use a pair of earbuds, because sometimes I do still go back. Slide that out. Oh yeah, perfect fit on there too, wow. Pair with mobile, connect gaming device, quick switch wireless. It wants us to download the mobile app right off the rip, so thankfully, got the phone on standby. Let's go ahead and download this mobile app right here. Okay, so while that's downloading, let's go ahead and look at everything. I got lots of gesture controls, which I am never going to remember. Of course, it wouldn't be something to do with gaming if it didn't have some type of cheesy wording on there. So it says, "For glory," which I think that might be SteelSeries' actual like slogan. I don't know. And here is the actual case. That's very small. I mean, that's nice, like tiny pod case right there. I don't have my AirPods close enough to me to test like that. Actually, let me go grab those real quick. And we're back. I grabbed my AirPods. So this is my Apple AirPods Gen 3s. This is the GameBuds case right there. So really not a huge difference. Like that's very pocketable. I don't know who would probably, I mean, we'll see once we actually fully test these out and review them. Curious to know like if anybody would actually consider picking some of these up over the AirPods. While we're on the topic though, let's see what the price of these is. This will be a very big determining factor. Now, one thing I do like, which we'll get into this here in a second, I do like just the idea that these aren't just Bluetooth, these are actually 2.4 gigahertz, so it does have a wireless dongle you can plug in to use with these. So these are $160. Now that is more than like my Gen 3 Apple AirPods. I can't remember the price on AirPods that actually had noise canceling, but that might be like right around on par with those. But what you do get is the benefit of having the dongle, so you actually do have a very fast wireless connection for gaming. Let's crack this open. Oh, okay, and we do have an LED indicator right there on the front. LED indicator showing your charge status. So I'm assuming green means probably good charge. They'll probably turn red when it gets low. Does click into place right there, so it's nice. But the lid is very thin, but I don't mind it though. Like, it closes down, it clasps down really nice, and it's magnetic closure. So that's really good. Actually, this case doesn't feel cheap by any means. And then the actual bottom of the case feels good. Of course, key wireless charging. You can see the branding for down the bottom, and your USB-C port. Pop that open. Here is the actual earbuds. Okay, I'm assuming the blue light means that it's trying to pair, so you got a blue light blinking on it. And then the dongle right there. Okay, it's even slotted down in there. It actually has a really good fit. It's like a rubberized fit or like a silicone mold in there to actually hold it in place. It's pretty sick. Pairing button on there. You have, oh, sweet. So you have a switch for PC or Xbox. I'm assuming when you buy the PlayStation version or whatever, then you would have like, it would say PlayStation, PC, something like that. So if you're gonna use this on anything other than the Xbox, you wanna switch it to the PC mode. I'm assuming that's how the rest of the SteelSeries products have been. Plug that into there. Now, what I want to see is, do I have to use my phone? I'm guessing I'm probably gonna have to. Okay, so we are connected now. Yeah, I don't like the fit. I can already kind of see from a distance they are sticking out a decent bit from my ears. They kind of feel big and chunky. Hopefully I put these in the right ears. Oh, I had them in the wrong ears. All right, so I am an idiot. But what I've already noticed right here, this is actually a big button. So I thought it had just gentle touch controls. Maybe it doesn't. Oh, both of them have a button. Okay, fits much better now. Let's get a little music going right here. So right out the box, we're at 77% on one earbud. It's not showing me the battery percentage for the other earbud, which is strange. I don't know if it just didn't connect. It looks like you can't just use one earbud because now the app is bugging out. So if I put one back in the case, it automatically disconnected both of them. While we're waiting for that to connect, let's go ahead and see what else we have in the box. We have USB-C to A cable. Oh, nice. Okay, so a USB-C to A, except the C is female, so it's actually like a dongle extension, which is good. I'll probably need that for my PC. And I'm assuming this is extra ear tips. Okay, we're gonna try this one more time. See if we can get these things to actually connect. So it says push the button on either side, on either GameBud 3 times to switch to Bluetooth mode. Okay, so a 3-button push switches it from Bluetooth to 2.4 mode. I cannot get these to connect to my phone now. So I can't get my phone to connect, so what I'm gonna do instead is I'm gonna use the old trusty dusty MacBook here. Hopefully this works with Mac. It doesn't say whether or not it does, so we'll find out. So I would say honestly for music, these aren't too bad. It kind of depends on the track. Like something that has like heavier bass, like I listened to a couple electronic tracks, sounded pretty good. Like the bass was coming through nice and clear. Things that are a little more technical, like a blues track or some jazz or something, starts to get a little bit muddy. It's definitely in that mids, like everything's kind of just blending together. It's not coming through just crystal clear, but all in all, I would say it's not too bad. Now let's see if I can pair them back with my phone. I just want to see how the phone connection, how well it actually works here. So switch it back to Bluetooth mode. I'm not even gonna mess with the SteelSeries app just because it does not seem to be working properly. So let's get some metal going, shall we? Still sounds pretty good, and the metal is definitely coming through nice and clear, which I like. Now I'm gonna try the ANC mode and see what that, oh, that was not the ANC button apparently. That was the pause and play. Okay, so ANC is on this side. It's very interesting. So the noise canceling, I can't really tell it's doing a whole lot. Like it dims down the exterior sounds a little bit, but not that much. The transparency mode is very nice, so that actually helped out, and that helps out a whole lot. Now I will say one thing, I never use noise canceling. I have a couple of headsets that have noise canceling, and I never use it on my gaming headsets. Now I do use it when I'm in the gym, so if you want to pick these up for like a multi-purpose of fantastic gaming earbuds, but then also pretty good for just everyday life, I think they could be solid for that. Like I said, the transparency mode was quite nice. Now the one thing I will say is they keep getting desynced, and whenever I was switching to noise canceling, and the voice that plays over, they get desynced from each other, which is very strange, but there might also be an update. I'll figure out that for sure before I do my review if these have an update in the app. But so anyways, that is the Artist GameBuds from SteelSeries. So I'll have a full review coming up for these here soon. If you want to check them out, I'll have some links down below. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching.